see, which one? Oh, yeah. Oh, look up to me. It seems really hard. There we go. Oh, it's probably right here. Oh, no. Oh, little suckers just rolling away from me. All of them mixed up. It's just the perfect color. Oh, yeah. Are we just going to dive right into this?
Hey guys,
This is Beauty.
and the house, and we're back for another challenge. This one's a little bit different.
It's called the Not My Hands Challenge.
So basically what happens is I'm going to be her hands,
And he's going to do my makeup. I'm a little bit nervous about this.
so I can't see. I will basically be sitting behind her like this, and she's going to instruct me on how to apply her makeup. Alright, so here we go. So I get to put my arms through here. There we go. Perfect.
Stop flexing.
I'm not flexing. Alright. Here we go, guys. This is the...
Not My Hands Challenge.
Oh, fix my top.
You know how to talk. Alright, first I'm going to fix my hair. By putting it up. Yep, just gathering up all my hair. With an elastic. Yep, nice and tight. Now I'm just gonna tuck my hair behind my ears, perfect. Alright, let's start putting on my makeup. We're gonna start with foundation. I'm gonna reach for the foundation. There we go. We're gonna, this stuff comes out really fast, so we gotta be careful. We're gonna get the sponge. Oh, that's the spray. There we go. There's the sponge. We're gonna put that on top. Alright, we're gonna get a little bit more than that. Alright, that should be good. That's running down my fingers. That's alright. Just put the cap back on. That's fine. Alright, we can do that later though. Put that aside. We're gonna put that over my face and nice and smooth and cover up all my blotches and pimples and everything all over my face. Yeah. Forehead, right down. We can dab too, which works as well. All the way down. Maybe my nose. Well, right there. There's my nose. Make sure I get everywhere. Alright, I think we're done with that. Sure. Okay. Right there. You got it. I'm gonna clean up my hands first. Alright, so what's next? What would you say is next? Maybe some blush? Maybe we'll put on blush next. I think that's the right order. So the blush is to my left. And it's no, not that, that's the foundation. There we go, there's the blush. We're gonna open that sucker up. I gotta pull it off. Yeah, that goes on my cheekbones. nice. Nice. Oh, nice rosy cheeks. All right, maybe the other side now. Oh, that's more my cheek than it. All right, we're gonna blend that in. Oh, my shirt's falling down. Let's just fix that right now. All right, we're gonna blend that maybe with a brush. We'll use a brush. Let's use the big brush. All the way to the end. Yep, there we go. Let's use that to blend that blush in. Okay. I think I'm looking quite beautiful right now. Oh, I get to take a look. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Oh, yes. Yeah, quite amazing. All right, now maybe some mascara. All right, well, let's move those off to the side. There we go. All right, the mascara is right there. We're gonna get some mascara and put it on. If I can undo it. Jeez, it seems really hard. Ugh. There we go. All right. Okay, we're gonna be really gentle. I'm gonna close my eyes for this. Here, put some mascara on. All over my eye. Yeah, make those lashes nice and full. Maybe try to get it on my eye. No. On my eye. There we go. Okay. Yeah. I think we're all done with that. Let's wait to see the final result in the mirror when we're all done. Yeah. Maybe some eyeliner now. There. No, you got it. We got it. We got it right there. Oh, yeah, it's a pencil. I'm gonna look up so we can get it closer to my eye. Closer. There we go. Nice and close. All right, maybe the other one. On the eyelid. Oh, maybe, yeah, sure. There we go. Okay. That's good. All right, we're going to find the lid right to your left. A little bit higher. Oh, it's rolling away there. Oh, no. Oh, the little sucker's just rolling away from me. Some eyeshadow, shall we? Eyeshadow just completes the look, so it's way up high. It's hard to reach. You know, open that up. What color should I do? We're gonna find a small brush this time. Small brush. Yep, that was good. That one will work. All right, what color? Let's see, which one? Oh, yeah. All of them look good to me. All of them mixed up. It's just the perfect color. Oh, yeah. Are we just going to dive right into this? All right, I'm going to close my eyes first, and then we're going to have to apply the eyeshadow to the eyelid. And just brush, just so gently over the eyelid with that amazing color combination. Yeah, and we're gonna gather a little bit more color for the next eye. Oh yes, love that purple. Purple's good, and the black, yeah, and the white too. And that's my hair. I just need a little bit of sparkle tonight. So we're gonna go a little bit further down because that's my eyebrow. And yeah, it's just like wisping strokes. Nice, smooth strokes. Oh, now we're under my eye. I just need to get rid of that, those sleepy baggy eyes with my eyeshadow. Alright, we're gonna close that. And we're gonna go with some lipstick now. Some lipstick is there it is. My depth perception isn't quite there. Oh, that's really high. Just a little bit. There we go. That's perfect. I'm gonna pucker up. Yeah, lipstick on. We're gonna do the top lip. The top lip. We're gonna use the setting spray, the makeup setting spray. Ready? A little bit further away. Okay, that's enough. And to see the final. I can't see. He sprayed it in my eyes. Okay. Wait. Wait, don't. You're gonna smudge the masterpiece. Don't I look beautiful? Alright, so that was the Not My Hands makeup challenge. I think we did an excellent job. I would like you to see the result.
Oh, everything's bright. Oh, a masterpiece.
So that was the Not My Hands challenge. We did makeup. And this is the result.
So what do you think?
I think you would do a lot better if you could see. My eyes are watering.
Thanks for watching, guys.